morning, class. How is everyone doing this morning?
Good.
Awesome. Now, we just got finished watching our video on adding three-digit numbers. Who can tell me what they learned about adding three-digit numbers? Aubrey?
That you add a dollar sign and a decimal point.
That you add a dollar sign and a decimal point. What column do you think we're going to start in? Now remember, before we even start talking about money, we have, what column is this? This is called the what column?
The ones.
The ones column. And what is this column called?
The tens.
The tens. And then this column is called the?
Hundreds.
The hundreds column. Great. So, but now we're going to incorporate money. And how many of you all like money?
I do.
Awesome. I love money too. So, with money, we're going to still add the three-digit numbers the exact same way, but we're going to change it to our money. So, when we're adding in the ones column, what coin can you think of that is worth 1 cent?
A penny.
A penny. So that's why Mrs. Young put a penny, a P for penny at the top. And what about our tens column? What is that going to represent?
A dime.
A dime. Very good. And that's why Mrs. Young put a D for dime. And what about our hundred column? What are we going to put up there?
A dollar.
We're going to put a dollar. And that's why Mrs. Young put a dollar there. Okay? Awesome. So let's begin. Now, we have $1.57 and we have $2.31. But why don't you think we have a dollar sign in front of the $2.31? Do you have an idea, Aubrey?
Because you have a dollar sign on $1.57.
Yes, you only have to put the $1 at the top of the add-in, the first add-in. So you don't need to put a dollar sign here. Now, what Mrs. Young wants you all to do from now on when you're adding three-digit numbers or when you're adding any money, you want to automatically put your decimal point down first. So we're going to put our decimal point. So Mrs. Young put the decimal point here. And then I want you to automatically bring down your dollar sign. So then Mrs. Young wrote the dollar sign. So now we're just going to add the exact same way. So Aubrey, what is 7 plus 1?
8.
8. So Mrs. Young is going to write 8. And what is 5 plus 3?
8.
8. And then we have our dollar sign. And what is 1 plus 2?
3.
3. So Aubrey, can you tell me how much money we have here?
$3.88.
$3.88. And Mrs. Young is just going to bring that decimal point down just a little further down here. Okay, so now let's look at this one over here. So what is the first thing we're going to bring down, Aubrey, before we start adding?
Your decimal and your dollar sign.
We're going to bring down our decimal point and our dollar sign. Very good. So Aubrey, can you tell me what is 1 plus 7?
8.
8. And what is 5 plus 1?
6.
6. And what is 4 plus 3?
7.
7. So Aubrey, how much money do we have here?
$7.68.
Awesome, awesome. So now we're going to look at $1.03 plus $2.13. So what is the first thing we're going to do again, Aubrey?
You're going to add down, you're going to put down your decimal and your dollar sign.
Very good. So I'm going to bring down my decimal point and my dollar sign. So now we just have to add. So what is 3 plus 3?
6.
6. Awesome. And what is 0 plus 1?
1.
1. And what is 1 plus 2?
3.
3. How much money do we have here?
$3.16.
Good. And our last problem, and I know we keep saying it, but I want you all to get it in your brain. What is the first thing, the first two things we're going to bring down, Aubrey?
Your decimal and your dollar sign.
Very good. So we're going to bring down our decimal point and our dollar sign. What is 4 plus 2?
6.
6. And what is 2 plus 0?
2.
And what is 0 plus 4?
4.
4. Very, very good, Aubrey. You did an awesome job. Kiss your brain. Awesome.